Hi there, let me introduce myself. I'm Ian Frederick Daniels. I'm from South Africa, Pretoria. I'm 41 years in age. I've got a wife. We're together now 22 years. I've got a daughter by her. It's the only one I've got, and she's also now 22. Yeah, let I give you some of my work experience, my history. I'm a qualified heavy-duty diesel mechanic, petrol mechanic. When I'm talking about diesel equipment, I'm talking about Caterpillar, Komatsu, John Deere, Bell, JCB, and then on trucks, Freightliner, Peterbilt, Mercedes-Benz. Actually, I work on probably most of them already. When I'm talking about working on them, it's like major repairs, just normal servicing, fault finding. By fault finding, it's like auto electrical work included. Yeah, by auto electrical work, we can say I'm very clued up with the latest technology. I can work with a diagnostic machine. I can work with computers. I can do plumbing. I can do electrical on houses. Yes, and my reason for wanting to leave South Africa is I wasn't there already yet. I want the experience. Maybe I can learn something by them. Maybe they can learn something by me. So, hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Goodbye.